To add an automation curve, first click on the plugin you want to automate. In the top left corner of the plugin window, you'll see an R and a W button. R stands for read and W stands for write. Click on W to enable the automation recording. Now, while your track is playing, move the parameter you want to automate. Cubase will record your changes as an automation curve. As you can see here, we've now recorded a curve. Once you're done, make sure you turn off the write function. This prevents you from accidentally recording more changes. The automation curve is made up of small points, these little squares. You can delete the ones you've recorded or add new points to shape the curve exactly how you want it. If the green read button is active, the parameter will follow the automation curve automatically. You can still move the control manually, but it will snap back to the value set by the curve. If you want to temporarily ignore the automation, just deactivate the read button. To delete the automation entirely, right-click on the automation track and select Delete.